When it comes to Halloween, candy is one of the first things that, of course, comes to mind. And with so much of that candy laying around, it is very important to make sure that your cats and dogs do not get a hold of it. Here's Chief Meteorologist Steve Caparizzo with some tips in today's Pet Connection Extra.
Thank you, Christina. During the holiday season, especially Easter, Halloween, and Christmas, we worry about our pets and chocolate. There are a lot of variables that go into just how dangerous it can be if your pet eats it.
So it's completely dose dependent. Actually, the type of chocolate actually makes a huge factor as well. As a rule of thumb, the more bitter the chocolate is, the more toxic it is.
So dark chocolate's worse than regular milk chocolate?
Dark chocolate, baker's chocolate is definitely worse than the milk chocolate or chocolate flavored cookie.
If your dog eats, say, a small little candy bar like this, is it something you should worry about?
Typically should be okay. Of course, the smaller dogs are going to be more at risk just because it is dose dependent. If they were to consume a large volume of chocolate, the first thing that you'll see is vomiting and diarrhea. It's really bad stomach upset. With higher doses of chocolate, they can actually have tremors, seizures, and cardiac arrhythmias. In really severe cases, they can actually die.
If you're worried, call your veterinarian immediately.
And there's actually formulas that we can use to determine if we're in the toxic range or not. If we are, we actually recommend inducing vomiting. The best way to do it is just to bring your pet into the veterinarian. They'll induce vomiting, actually give a medication that'll help absorb some of the toxins and flush them out with IV fluids.
Thanks, Dr. Lexi. You also have to be concerned about artificial sweeteners like xylitol. This is found in bubble gum. This can cause low blood sugar, in severe cases, liver failure. And don't forget, if you dress your pets up for Halloween, give them plenty of room around the neck and, of course, their rear ends. Back to you.